So you can see that my kids had a fun time drawing on my glass sliding door. Let's see how well the ECOVACS WINBOT cleans this mess.
Just a friendly reminder for everyone to select the right best cleaning for interior windows and thorough cleaning for exterior windows.
And you can see the spritz come out. And the spray nozzle. So there's the nozzle. See how it sprays it and then it wipes it and it goes back and forth.
I must say ECOVACS is globally #1 in robotic window cleaners.
Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this ECOVACS WINBOT W2S Omni window cleaner. So this is going to be a product overview video. So let's get into it. Let me show you what the product brings, how it works, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So once you open it up, you bring this down like this. Here's your actual window cleaner, like that. You also have a handle here, so you can hold it. Here's the on and off button once you take it off. Here's the cord that attaches to the base. Right here is where you fill up with the cleaning solution. On the bottom, here's your cleaning pad. This product has the true edge cleaning. Here are the wheels that makes it move around. This is where the spray comes out of to clean. Product comes with its own cleaning solution. It even has the instructions built in onto the base. This is how you turn on the whole base. You just long press this, like so. Here's your battery level right here. If you press this button right here, this changes to the different modes. This button right here, it retracts the cable once you have it out, and then once you close it, it has this handle here to make it easy to hold it around. On the back, this is your speaker right here. If you take off this pad here, this is where you plug in the charging cable. You slide this open. So this comes with an extra cleaning pad. Here's your charging cable, and then here is the safety cord. So that way you can secure this onto a stable surface. On the bottom, you can see that it has a suction, so that way it stays nice and put, and then it has some rubber bottoms to keep it nice and secure, so it's not gonna move around. So when you're ready to use it, it's recommended to take it out. You're gonna remove the cleaning pad and then wet it. So once you have it like that, okay, so then I'm gonna fill it up with the cleaning solution. This holds 80 milliliters worth of liquid. Once the cleaning solution runs out, you could temporarily use tap water also to clean, but this works best with the cleaning solution. So I'm gonna clean my glass sliding door window. What you're first gonna do is hold down this button right here for 2 seconds. Once you hear the fan go on, then you just attach it to the glass. So have like so, and then once it sucks on, and now it's going to start cleaning. So you can see how easy and how quickly it cleans the glass. So you can see how it goes on the edge of the window, and it traces the window. So it goes side to side. And once it reaches the edge, it moves automatically. Once it's finished cleaning, all you do, you're gonna grab the handle again and long press this button, so that way the fan shuts off. And then from there, it comes off nice and easily. Next, I'm gonna clean the outside surface. So all you're gonna do is the same exact thing. Extract the cable. So this is a very long cable. You can see how long it is. And once it reaches this red, that means that you're coming to the end. So right there, I took everything out. I'm gonna long press the button again. Once I hear the fan, I'm gonna attach it. And then the machine tells me, I'm gonna close it a little bit.
Just a friendly reminder for ECOVACS to select the right pump. That's cleaning for interior windows and thorough cleaning for exterior windows.
So you can see the spray nozzle shoots some of the liquid out. And you can see how it looks from the other side. See, so it spritz it and then it wipes it. So it's very thorough and it gets to the very edge of the frame of the glass. I like how it's thin enough that it fits in between my railing of my balcony. Once you're finished cleaning and you have your long cord out, all you do, you just attach this back with the cord up, like so. You're gonna press the record button right here, and then it's gonna bring in all the cord by itself. So you don't have to worry about it being tangled or doing it manually. You can see how fast that it takes it with you.
Charge for the next use.
And now it's gonna charge the wind box. And if it gets stuck, all you do is just redo it. And then now I'm ready to bring it to my next location. So let me bring this to the bathroom. You can even clean tile surfaces with this wind box. Let's try it out.
Firmly attached. Start vacuuming.
So you can clean tiled walls with this.
Just a friendly reminder for ECOVACS to select the right pump. That's cleaning for interior windows and thorough cleaning for exterior windows.
And once it feels an object, then it will move to the side by side. And you can see how easily it cleans tile surfaces. Next, I'm gonna clean my window right here. So it's a smaller size window, but at least I could clean it from the outside and the inside. Pro tip is extend the cable longer so that way it doesn't get stuck when it's moving. When you're gonna clean a smaller size window, don't put it on the edge, put it more in the middle right here, so that way it doesn't get stuck.
Firmly attached.
Okay, then I'm gonna lower the window a little bit. And you can see it's gonna clean my smaller size window. Side, do the same thing.
Firmly attached. Start now. Do not use the light.
And I must say that the WINBOT is a dedicated robotic solution to clean windows. And the ECOVACS is the #1 robotic window cleaner in the world. And just the fact that to clean my sliding glass door is elevated, and I would have to hire somebody to do it. Buying the WINBOT, it pays for itself within the first use. So this is a great company and a great product to have. So here's the ECOVACS home app. So I already registered my account to the WINBOT, and I already paired it via Bluetooth. So you can see here with the app itself, it shows the model, the battery levels, how to attach it. You even have the remote control, and you could spray it whenever that you want to spray it. You can spot clean and zone clean. So on the app, you have 5 different cleaning modes. You got fast clean, thorough cleaning, heavy duty cleaning, deep cleaning, and edge cleaning. You could change the language. You could do auto spray. If you need to clean the driving threads, do the scrubber maintenance. You even have a user guide. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post the link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great robotic window cleaner. I like how easy it is to use. I like how it comes with a rechargeable battery, so you can move this anywhere where there's windows. I also like how it comes with a cleaning solution, and it has this handy handle to it, so you can bring this with you anywhere. I also like how on the bottom it has a suction, so this will stay put whenever that you set it somewhere. And I also like how it has the built-in metal cable that's attached to the base, so that way if you're high up in a building, that just in case if the window cleaner might fall off for any reason, so that way it will stay put since you attach the base already using the carabiner to secure it in place. I also like how well that this product cleans, and I like how you're able to clean different surfaces and different size windows with this. I also like how easy it is to set up using the app, and it works very well. So this is a great robotic window cleaner to have in any house or office setting. Thanks for watching.